This is MICC, the Magnum Ice Cream Company, a spinoff of Unilever. You're looking at this on the 5-minute time frame. I'm going to give you some price targets for Tuesday. We ended the day at $18.24, up a whopping 8.31%. To the north side takes us to resistance, a potential take profit area at 1886. Above that at 3 standard deviations, 1933, and at 4 standard deviations, roughly 1981. To the south side, the middle of the trend, the baseline, one level of support is roughly $17.86. That's another potential buy-in area as well as a potential stop-loss area. Depends on where you bought in. This is 1689, another level of support, another potential buy-in area, and another potential stop-loss area, as well as 1641 and 1591. Now looking left, you can see when we gapped up, there will be a correction to the south side. That will take us to 1687. Below that, 1635. And as you can see, that is a sell signal, and we chopped sideways. If we go down, I anticipate a bounce off of that. Or again, we chopped sideways there. But on the 5, we are going up. Now, this company began, well, the spinoff happened on Monday, December the 8th. I am a stockholder of Unilever. So then this right here started out at what, roughly 1487-ish. Well, 1445. Well, that's the 52-week low. So anyway, I was not interested in keeping this stock. I thought, really, an ice cream company in the $14 range? I'm going to probably have to hang on to this forever. But I was pleasantly surprised when I was alerted to this. Right? Oh, ignore this message. Okay, this is right here. This started to peak out. This is the overbought territory. So I thought, I've got to make a decision. What am I going to do? I'm not in love with this ticker. I don't care about it. This I inherited. So I'm like, I'm going to get rid of it. That's just one less thing I'm going to keep track of. So I own shares at 1146 and 1164. And I sold out both lots at 1818 and option R here. Let me just reset that. So that is a return of 56.19%, and that's a return of 58.64%. And again today, which is still fabulous, $8.31. Now the 1-year price target is, well, to the downside 1791, and then to the upside 2056, and then down the road the analysts are suggesting the price could get to 1589 as the pullback. And now let's check out Unilever. Option R, adjust drawings because of the split. Oh, I need to see the gaps. So let's go to candles. All right, we have started to climb up. I bought this in the 40s. Okay, when it got ripped to shreds, basically. So the pullback is right here. All right, and now we are at, let's move it over, 31, change the color. All right. See, here's your clear sell signal, and that lined up with your sell signal down here. All right, 67.57, 68.01, 68.24, 68.46, and to the south side. Oh, I forgot to mark out another level of resistance here. 67.59. That's where we could sell off some and then chop sideways for possibly another leg up, or get drawn to this area. 67.11, 66.89, and 66.66. Oh, and we have a pullback down here as well. Might as well mark this because I think it will definitely hit later rather than sooner. Let's mark it. And what else? Oh, look at this. We have a gap closure. I have not looked at this in a very long time. So that took us up to 65.21-ish. Oh, I've sold this a couple of times. And it looks like I need to clean this up as well. That touched down to 65.04. Delete. And what about this one? This touched right here. Took us down to come on, oops, there we go. Delete. 63.96. Now let's flip this over to the daily and see what is happening. Option. This looks like a hot mess, but I have not deleted my chart, and unless it interferes with my vision, then I will keep it as is. All right, so the next leg up will be 68.45, and then down the road we're looking at 73.74-ish, but I'm going to delete that because that's too far out for me to keep a track of and make videos on the daily. I'm going to do it, I do it on the 5. Okay, I see this as an expected move. Did that touch right there? Is that a win? No, it definitely touched right here though. That took us up to 66.31. And we have another, ooh, that's nice, 67.84. Let me just mark that. That's going to be the next target to the upside. But there's always something that will pull us down as well. A lot of gaps, lots and lots. Okay, RSI is turning up on the daily. Let's look at the weekly. Okay, 70, well, we're not even close. 63 we peaked at last time before we started to crack. And let's see on the monthly, turning up. What is the price target now? 70.81. This one I think I'm going to hang on to for a lot longer. All right, that does it for me. That is a look at MICC and UL. I love it that they're getting rid of the board members and setting a term limit of 9 years. You know what? It should be 5 years. And then everyone should rotate out, just like HOA boards. 5 years and you're done. City manager, 5 years and you're done. After that, things start to rot, starts to stink. People overstay, abuse their power. I'm glad they're making changes. All right, that does it for me. Have a great trading day.